One of the #1 questions that I've received from so many people is, "Hey Jill, can you teach me how to fold a fitted sheet?" Well, yes, I can, and I'd be happy to teach you. Funny though, when I did a video similar to this years ago, it was very popular, but we did it with a twin size sheet. And so many of you said, easy enough to do with a twin size sheet, how about doing it with a king size sheet? So it really doesn't matter what size sheet you have, the folding technique is the same, but today instead of the twin size, I'm going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet with a king size sheet, all right? So first of all, you're going to actually start with it inside out. You're going to put your hand in to the one side, and you really want to find these corners where you have this seam detail. That's going to be really important. You're going to hear me say the words, keep your finger in that point, about 10 times in this demonstration, but I'm hoping that will emphasize to you how it gives you the crispest fold. So then on the other side with your left hand, find that other point. So now I've got my fingers at those points, and I'm going to touch each other, and I'm going to take my right hand and put that over my left. I'm still keeping my finger. See it up there? There's the point. Keeping it right up in there so it's nice and taut. Pull it down. I'm going to stick my right hand back in there because now I'm going to go down the length of the elastic, and notice how it's a little kind of tangled. Now I'm sort of essentially taking the sheet and making it right side out. You start with it inside out because then as you fold it, it will become the other way as you work your way down. All right, so now I'm finding those same points. There they are. You'll always find them by the seams. Make sure your hand's in there, nice and firm. Find the point on one side, find the point on the other, touch fingers again, and go right over like that. And this is where you kind of want to just shake it out a little bit. Make sure that everything is lined up. The elastic is at the sort of the same length on one side. And it's really helpful if you have a bed or a table nearby so that you can kind of shake it out a little bit. I always say when you put it on a table at this point, you're sort of making an L shape with the elastic. Smooth it out. Make sure everything's nice and lined up. And then long ways, you fold in once, fold in twice. So then you fold over once, fold it over again. And that is how you fold a king size or any size fitted sheet.